Ano ba tawag natin sa grupo natin? No? Sabihin natin, in digital, kasi parang we're trying to do different content in the digital platform, which in digital. So yun yung, yun yung background of the story. It happened siguro, si Miss LT kasi contacted us, tapos sinabi niya sa akin, si Miss Linggit Tan, she here, no? I saw her kanina. Ayun, yay! Yan ang nag-lead sa akin, no? Sabi niya, Raymond, gawa ng content for the digital platform. So na-excite kami kasi it's a new playing field for ABS-CBN. Sabi kung digital ba, ano ba yung parameters? Wala pang mga parameters kasi hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung audience. Kung ano kung magugustuhan ng audience. So, we really came up with a lot of concepts at tatlo yata doon. Alex, tama ba? Nars, tatlo, at Ellen, tatlo yung lima yung na-approve dun sa pinage namin. The first one which was aired is Alamat ng Ano. Yung Alamat ng Ano, puro kalokohan lang talaga. Di ba? Parang bakit nagtitira ng last piece ang mga Pinoy, bakit nagdidikit ng chewing gum sa ilalim ng mesa. Paano nyo alamin yung alamat nun? So that's Alamat ng Ano. Tapos the second one is The End. The End naman, parang sabi namin, we need something heartwarming. Sabi, o sige, pag-usapan natin death. Paano magiging heartwarming ang death? Most of the people, iba takot sa death. So sabi, hindi naman talaga. It's the last 24 hours of a person before he or she passes away. Pero, ang titignan natin dito is how do they celebrate life before they die? Ako, baka ninenervous lang po ako, hindi po ako naiiyak ka. Pero it's really that. It's really celebrating life before someone passes away. So it's very heartwarming. It's more on the relationships of people before they pass away. Tapos the other one is Hush. Sabi namin kailangan natin ng medyo mapusok. So kasi yung digital market, di ba, parang, well, to be very honest, di ba, number one content in the digital platform in the online world is porn. Di ba, to be very honest with you guys. So, aside from social media, so sabi namin, let's do something.
One of the top viewers. Top
Sexy.
visitor.
Pero hindi sexy na bastos. Sabi namin, we do it artistically. We do it artistically. Parang, kasi ang idea nun, it was an idea siguro parang 3-4 years back pa eh. Sabi namin, noong 1970s, 1980s, the best directors and the best actresses were doing ST or bomba movies, if I remember it correctly, Nax pa millennial. So, anyway, yun yung talagang Lino Broca, Ismael Bernal, diba, they were really doing the sexy movies, pero with a social commentary. All our best actresses came from did sexy movies, di ba? Parang Lorna Tolentino, even Vilma Santos yata, and di ba parang they did sexy as well. So we want to replicate that. We want to replicate that through Hush. So we're airing Hush as well. 11 p.m. to 6 p.m. Parang medyo sensitive kasi material, para medyo parang we're trying to regulate it rin for the more adult audience or more mature audiences. So, yun. We have 2 more pero hindi pa namin napoproduce. Pero come March 6, this is a new March 6, we will launch a new show under I1. And thank you very much I1 for supporting our ideas, putting them into fruition. Parang only I1 will be able to do this under ABS-CBN. So yung touch screen kasi, it's about stories of how technology affects our lives positively. Diba? Kasi parang in one of our episodes, ito yung kay Kokwang. Ang ganda nito kasi parang she's been a yaya for a family for the longest time. So siya yung tinatanong. Pero dumating kasi yung mga artificial intelligence, AI, or mga Google Assistant, or mga Alexa. So parang natuon na doon yung pansin ng pamilya. They ask them to play a song, pero dati si Coco yung kumakanta ng lullaby for them. So it's very heartwarming, it's very core, pero it's different because the execution, the graphics that we did into touchscreen again is very different. So again, as I've mentioned, we are a small unit, we're still growing. I hope you'll be able to help us grow and you grow with us together with iWant. Yun po yung namin, pakiusap namin sa inyo. So please download iWant and watch all the programs under In Digital Productions. I'd like to thank my team as well. Thank you very much. We're a small team pero talagang sila rin talagang gumagawa ng lahat ng produkto. I want to thank our directors. We got the best indie directors right now. I won't mention them, they will be introduced later. Thank you, Sir Richard. Thank you, Miss LT. Thank you very much, Miss Jeannie, DMD. Sorry, dami kong papasalamatan, baka may pag-alit sa. Pero thank you very much again for supporting iWant and digital production and ABS-CBN. Thank you very much po.
Diba?
Thank you, Sir Raymond. Okay, so he mentioned earlier touchscreen. That's going to be next week already, March 6th. So download the app and check it out also. It's exciting. It's going to be 3 episodes first, to be launched on March 6th, and then the rest to follow. So check that out. We want to show you an overview. Well, he described it already, the 4 titles, but we want to show you the trailers. So these are just snippets of what you'll see on the 4 titles.
Chading wants to know.
Let's show